Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some oven baked honey buffalo pork chops. Okay, so I started off by seasoning the pork chops. Then I'm gonna mix them up really well. Once I'm done with that, I went ahead and got a pan. Now I'm just gonna lay the pork chops in the pan. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding some water and then some butter on top. Okay, now that that's done, it's time to put it in the oven and let it cook. Now I'm going to work on the sauce. So I'm using some butter, honey, some red hot sauce, and I'm just going to mix that up really well. Now I'm just going to add the pork chops into the sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it looks when it's done. I also cooked some rice and beans and corn, and I'm going to show you my plate.